And I really love the idea that I can kind of choose what mounting style is going to look best for me, what tabletop mount looks best in my situation, which one I prefer. I guess, is that why you chose to have them as an accessory instead of having a standalone model for tabletop?
Correct. If we had dedicated standalone tabletop models and dedicated standalone wall mount models, you're looking at doubling the amount of SKUs that you have to remember, order, inventory, keep spares of. With Varia, you can stock one size that you use all the time and then deploy that however you need to with either tabletop stand or on the wall, as we discussed.
I guess maybe I don't always think about what our distributor or what an integrator has to deal with when there's, gosh, I mean, I guess if you have a wall mount and a tabletop panel.
And don't forget the personas. If you have to stock, typically a touch panel will be dedicated to one of those experiences. You will have a control panel or a scheduling panel or a Zoom Rooms appliance or something like a touch interface for a web kiosk. So you're really looking at 8 SKUs where Varia can offer 1 SKU, and if you need a tabletop, you can add that extra accessory.
Yeah, for every size.
For every size panel, correct.